What is up, everyone? I wanted to talk very shortly about something that I've been struggling with for the last couple of weeks, and maybe I did mention in a few other videos, but I wanted to talk about it here with the 0 people that are watching. I guess I'm just wanting to talk about it out loud a little bit. And that topic, per se, is struggling with staying consistent and discipline and managing the mental capacity of doing things. I do remember actually talking about this a little bit, but I just want to talk about like personal experience, I'll say, uh, because I've been struggling with managing like working on school, my projects, hobbies, even gym. Recently, I've been not gymming as often as I usually do, and my progress kind of stagnated. I've been trying to cut weight, and I kind of plateaued around 160 pounds. For reference, I'm 5'6", so I'm not super tall. And I'm trying to hit like 150 pounds, so I'm trying to lose about 10 more pounds. I've lost already 15 pounds in the last 4 months. So, it's not bad, but I'm getting there. I want to lose about 10 more pounds. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much like what I've been trying to do. But I've been struggling managing like all of that stuff, especially like with school. One of the things that I'm currently struggling with is making videos. As you guys know, I have a YouTube channel called Coding Quest. It's obviously separate to this YouTube channel, and making videos for this channel is a little easier because I'm not really putting effort into it. I'm just sitting down and recording my thoughts. I'm just sitting here talking to you guys, talking like talking with a friend, basically. And yeah, that's it. I didn't want it to be anything crazy. But on the other YouTube channel, Coding Quest, I've really been struggling just to make YouTube videos. And it's mainly because I don't have the mental capacity to sit down, plan it, make the project, and like really do things with it. So I don't know. I just need to actually get started. I think one of the other things is that there's a series which I'm planning on doing. I've been planning it for like months now. And I've been doing it on my website and everything. Like basically, to kind of give actual detail and context what I'm talking about in case you guys haven't watched any of other videos. I have a website called codingquest.io where I have a campaign or like a course basically where I teach how to make a Souls-like game. And it has a lot of different components. And the way this works on my website is there's a game, like a Souls-like, called a campaign. And that campaign is made of multiple quests. There's 6 quests or 7 quests total, I suppose you can say, in this campaign. And yeah, that's the idea. I've been doing it, or I've been like planning each course meticulously. I need to say that word right, meticulously. Yeah, I think that's right. Let me look it up just in case. Meticulous. Yeah, meticulously. I don't know why it sounds weird. Anyways, I've been working really hard on it, and I've been planning each course with detail. And basically, I made a Souls-like player, so player controller, an AI monster thing, which goes on top of it. That's like another quest, an inventory system quest, a stats and leveling quest, what else? Let me think. Save and load quest, which is really nice. That one was really, I don't know why I found it interesting. It's just like JSON writing code. It's all writing code, but I don't know. I like JSON stuff. I don't know why. It's weird. Anyways, and then the last one, which is dialogue and quest system. That one was cool because it's a plugin. It has a plugin, like it's us building a plugin basically for this, so it's really cool. Which I want to make a video on. Anyways, I want to make one video for each, basically showcasing what's being taught in each course, and then eventually put that up on my YouTube channel and website to promote them. That would be nice. So yeah, I'm going to do that. shit, I have a lot to do. Like I feel like I have so much to do that like, yeah, it's just overwhelming. Like I've pretty much gotten overwhelmed with all that. Like I want to do one video per quest, basically showing the final product of what we're going to build. And then also showing like, hey guys, like, this is what you're going to learn in this quest, right? Like there's a lot of things that you learn in each one. And it is very useful stuff that like I've really put thought into. And then on top of that, which is the final thing that I've been dreading, to be honest, is actually making the full solution video to like everything, like basically the campaign. So I'm planning on basically making the entire project from scratch on video, obviously, making a recording and breaking it down into different parts. And yeah, basically making the solution to everything I just talked about. And I'm probably realistically looking at like 10 hours of sit down and recording and talking, right? And I don't mind that. Like I've done it before. It's obviously not that's not really an issue, but it's a lot of time investment, and it's a lot, man. Like, yeah, it's a lot. Feels overwhelming. I don't know. And to be honest, I could like, at my peak, this is so funny to say, at my peak recording, I guess you can say, damn, I really need to sit down and think about this, because like I don't know what happened. At my peak, man, I sat down. I'll tell you guys a story about this. There was a time I did exactly a very similar course to this, actually. It was a 3D RPG. That was what I named it, as a 3D RPG thing. And it was kind of not as good. I wasn't really happy with it. It could have been a lot better. But yeah, I recorded it and the audio quality was really bad. And I got that as a comment, and I wanted to put this on a YouTube channel called Free Code Camps. And I'm going to do that for this one, by the way. That's one of my promotion strategies. Anyways, yeah, the feedback was that the audio was just terrible and people couldn't understand anything. So he told me like, yeah, I can't post this. And I was like, I was really disheartened by it, but I didn't give up. I got that email and I was like, okay, I'm going to fix this. Like immediately I was like, all right, I'm going to fix this. And what I did is I re-recorded the entire thing. The entire thing was 6 hours of content, by the way. I re-recorded all of it in one day. Like, I don't know how. I did edit it, not as much as I probably should have. But yeah, I sat down in one day and I just re-recorded everything. I remember that day, my voice by the end was just so like parched. Like obviously I was trying to drink water, but like I was so parched. I was like really, like, I don't know if that makes sense. Like you've just been talking for 5 hours, right? So yeah, that was my peak, man. Like I sat down and recorded a course for 6 hours straight, basically. And it was probably a little less than that realistically, but like that's crazy. I need to sit down and think like what happened and why I can't do that. I can do that. No, I can't. I shouldn't say that. Like I can definitely do that. I just need to, I don't know, mentally prepare, I suppose. Yeah, I don't know. That's it, to be honest. I don't have much else to talk about. I know I haven't really been looking at you guys much this video. It's a little hard to look up towards the camera, and I'm really tired. It's 2 a.m. right now. I've been having a lot of sleep problems in general. So yeah, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying. That's kind of it. Actually, I'll end with what I've been doing today a little bit. Today I didn't do much, to be honest. I was just playing video games a lot. I've been playing Slay the Spire 2, but near the end of the day, I started planning out what I'm going to record, like what each video content portion is going to include, basically. Actually, I'll tell you guys basically what I'm planning on doing. First, I want to make a remotion checklist video of what every current phase is. So for example, the first part, which is actually, I mean, obviously the more important one, is the 3D player controller, the project setup and player scene. So we're going to build a Souls-like RPG. Yeah, that's the title. I'm just kind of, I got AI to write some of it, but it's saying the title, building a Souls-like RPG, whatever. But yeah, it's just the player and project setup. So basically we're going to set up the engine with Jolt physics, import the assets we need, set up the folder structures, stuff like that. Configure input mappings. Yeah, we'll create the player with a very simple controller, and then we'll start with the state machine architect. I think that's actually a very good place to end part 1 on. So anyways, that was like what the first video part is going to be. So I want to make like a remotion checklist so things are very clear with the viewer on what we're covering in the video. And then I'll go step by step in Godot, showing everything. So that's where most of the content will be, me actually showing you how to do it. And then add remotion videos again, explaining any theoretical parts like state machines, because state machines they're not hard to understand, at least in my opinion. But I do think visual guides help a little bit more in understanding it. So yeah, I think I have a plan. Just talking about it helps a little bit, so that's nice. Yeah, I don't know. That's it. Thank you guys for listening. If you're here, that's it for this. I think I just needed to sit down and actually record something, even though this doesn't relate to tutorial stuff. I know my hair is super frizzy. I didn't go out today, so I just took a shower and I just kind of let it like frizz. Like I kind of just didn't care. Yeah, realizing my hair is actually not too bad. Anyways, sorry. That's it. Thank you guys for listening. I'll see you guys later.